Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Shadow Black 2017 Ford F-150 4x4 SuperCrew XLT, stock number A7161. You have chrome heavy-duty tow hooks and factory fog lights. There's a beautiful chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. You have this great chrome F-150 XLT badge. There are running boards along the sides. Inside you have a gray cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger F-150. You've got this great FX4 off-road bedside decal here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are backup sensors. You've got a trailer hitch and a backup camera. Inside of the truck bed, there is a drop-in bed liner. That's in great shape. It is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. You have keypad entry buttons here on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. Underneath the steering wheel, you have a power adjustable pedal button. To the left of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right, you have audio controls. There's a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. There is a 4x4 turn dial control. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating. Coming down further, you have 2 USB ports. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 5-liter V8 engine, and in highway mileage, that gets you around 23 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this F-150 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.